Hey guys, what's going on? Jeremy here. I think the camera's a little not at the right angle, whatever. It's not. I've got it on this little kitchen pad, whatever. Holy crap. So, as you can see in the title, it's ridiculous, man. Lost my job. I'm going to tell you why is completely stupid. Thinking about filing a complaint at the main headquarters with the HR department, and I don't even know, I might even call it Department of Labor because this is ridiculous. And I want to get some opinions on this too because I just think this is outright crazy. Here's a cat. So, being unemployed, I'm doing exactly what any grown man would do, any adult really. I'm at my house, it's about 60-65 degrees out in January. I'm making steaks and drinking beer, dude, because that's what you gotta do. I've applied to like 10 jobs today, but you know what, I'm just gonna drink. I'm gonna have me a good old American Budweiser, have me a nice ribeye, and just chill, man. Now, I forget this every year, and I've almost forgotten this video. Yesterday was my birthday too. The guy who fired me literally wished me a happy birthday as he sent me on my way. So at least he was courteous enough to wish me a happy birthday while sending me down the road. So I'm gonna make this steak. Might take the camera outside. It's super nice. Might even throw in a cold start with the Camaro just because. What's a video without the Camaro in it? Let me season these steaks, man. Well, this one steak, sorry, singular. I'm gonna season this steak, throw it on the grill. I'll see you guys out there. So that looks super awesome. Got a slightly seasoned ribeye here. Can't really see this. All this is some olive oil. I'm gonna put those on the grill grates. There's the cat. That's not for you, dude. Like, why do you gotta ruin my videos all the time, dude? Get off my steak. Get down. Every time he's got to ruin my video, I swear to God. Let's go outside. Alright, so basically anyone who knows me outside of YouTube knows I like to cook. I like meat. Steak, man. It's all about that red meat. Well, steak and beer. Probably two of my favorite things in life. Other than other things I can't say on YouTube or it'll get demonetized. I think you guys can figure it out though. And I'll tell you what, I don't know if it's old school or not, but for whatever reason, I've always liked charcoal grills. I think it's because when I was younger, was I about 16, I tried cooking some burgers up, and my dad had this really old janky grill. It was propane, so basically, I mean, it was just shady. You had to do all sorts of things to get it to light up, and it was horrible. And me being how I am, I was young and dumb. I had my face like literally right here at the grates of the grill and went in, put the lighter in the side, lit it, and it basically exploded in my face. So here we got Peanut just waiting on the food like he's gonna get some. Yeah, right, dude. You're right. What's up, homie? What you doing? What you doing? Yeah. Good boy. Only thing that really sucks about charcoal is you just gotta freaking wait forever, man, for these coals to start turning a little gray. I'm hungry, so I think we're good enough. So I feel like this basically kind of just turned into a little cooking show. A little different. Once this steak gets done, we'll top it off with a little bit of cream frige.
Oh yeah, man. Oh. Cream frige, cafeteria frige.
I just had steak last night too. Whatever. That's how you get that belly. Ah, hell yeah. While my steak is sitting here cooking, I know, man, Darius, he's gonna kill me. We had a date for when we were gonna run the Camaro and the Mustang. I know it's at Rockingham. I think it was like April 6th or something. I'll be honest with you, I can't really remember the date. And I know a lot of people are wanting to see something before then. So hopefully we can get him down here to the streets of Mexico, maybe do a little run. And with that being said, also met another guy on here in the comments section of YouTube. JJ, he's actually got, man, I should go back and look at my comments and see so I don't sound like an idiot. He's got a Challenger, I believe it's a SRT8. If I'm right, comment below, man. Comment the year too. You can tell people about your car. But he got up with me yesterday, or last night, and we're talking about probably getting up here pretty soon. He seems like a pretty cool guy, so hopefully we'll get in touch with him soon. Check out his Challenger, man. That thing, from what I hear, is nasty. And again, man, forgive me, I can't remember what it had on it. I think it was, I think it's Pro Charged, or it's got a Magnuson on it. But I want to say it's Pro Charged. So, might be able to get in a couple of runs with him. He is literally, he's going to destroy me. So, we'll see. And I'm not sure, and I hate to talk down on the Camaro, but I've only ran one SRT8 that was supercharged, and it was a 09. So it had the 6.1 liter, and it was at the dealership I used to work at, and they claimed that had like 525 at the wheels, and I had probably, I can't remember, before I let out of the gas, maybe 2 to 3 cars on them. But I feel like JJ's car is gonna it's gonna be pretty fast. With me out of work, I don't know his schedule, if he's working or anything like that, but we might be able to get a video in, and I haven't talked to him about this, but I'd say, I don't know, within the next couple weeks, maybe sooner, but I think that'd be really cool. Anyways, let's check on the steak real quick. Well, hell, damn, sitting here talking too long, charred that side of the steak. I don't know about you guys, but I like mine kind of like a medium minus. So, probably going to set it here for a couple minutes, cook the other side, and then go ahead and pull this thing off, man, before it gets too cooked. Gotta have that pink center. So this is why you got to be careful, man. Drinking while you're cooking steak. Start cooking the damn thing too much. It's got a little pink in there. Yeah. I think we're gonna be alright, y'all. Yeah, boy. So I'll keep it pretty short. The main reason I got fired is because I took a job. The main purpose of this job was driving, delivering stuff, and I won't say what I was delivering or where, out of respect for the company that clearly has no respect for me. But, you know, I'm better than them, obviously, so I'm not going to put their name out there. But I will be filing a complaint. Basically, you didn't need a CDL for this job is what was stated in the ad when I applied. We dropped off the company vehicle that I could drive that without a CDL, but we went and rented a truck that you had to have a CDL. The GVWR, or gross vehicle weight rating, was 33,000 pounds. Anything over 26,000 pounds requires a CDL. I even called this place after I got fired and confirmed, even if it is under 26,000 pounds gross vehicle weight rating, if it is for commercial use, you have to have a CDL either way. So, when we rented the vehicle, they asked us, they said, do either of you guys have a CDL? I was going to be the main person driving it. I said, no, I don't. The other guy didn't have a CDL either. So, basically, the company pulled some strings. The manager of the truck rental company overrode the sale and gave us the truck. So, they basically wanted me to drive a truck that required a CDL to operate. I was not comfortable with that. I didn't want to lose my license, didn't want to get the company fined, etc. And I explained that to the boss man. Basically, he wasn't happy about it. Said some things that weren't appropriate, I feel like. And basically, kind of degraded me, man. And I wasn't having that. Long story short, the company let me go second day on the job because I wanted to follow the law. I'll stop there. There's a lot more to it, but that's basically the gist of it. I think it's just bad business. The company doesn't know what they're doing, and the guy driving it now, God forbid he gets pulled over and gets ticketed and loses his license. It was just a complete mess. It was horrible. If you haven't already, guys, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.